I'm going to now go across to Gurmeet Chadha, the co-founder and CEO of Complete Circle Consultants. Gurmeet, good afternoon. Welcome to our studio. You're seeing HDFC as clearly one of the stocks of the day under pressure right after such a large fundraising exercise. This big top-level exit, which Aditya Puri's tried to allay fears regarding. What do you make of this? And clearly the markets have not reacted to Aditya Puri trying to allay fears.
Yeah, hi. I think the stock has been under pressure since the QIP news, and then for the first time, I think the numbers after some 48 or 49 quarters, the earnings were a tad below 20% because of the bank taking the MTM losses upfront. I think this is an opportunity to accumulate the stock. I think the bank is very strong on operating metrics. If you see the NIMs, they are 4% plus, which are the highest in the industry. It is the most low-cost depositor with 48% CASA. They have a retail lending book which is growing, at 21-22%. That 70% of the branches, Nayantara, for HDFC are beyond the top 9 cities, which will give it a further, thresh on the lending. And it's a quality name, so much needed correction to add on to the stock.
Could get a word from you on the IT stocks. You're seeing the IT index at a new high. Obviously, thanks to the falling rupee, is good news for exporters and IT in particular. Opportunities there?
Yeah, I think people wrongly take currency as one of the key triggers. I think the currency impact would only be for 1 or 2 quarters. I think what we are seeing is an increased IT spend by the traditional verticals, which are like energy, banks. Last 2 quarters, there will also be a lot of deal wins by the top 3, which is TCS, Infi, HCL. So I think the IT is more. So if you see, there's also sector rotation happening in the market. So IT index, for example, is up around 35%. And so I see an increased digital spend, good IP tie-ups, large deal wins. And a lot of these IT companies are sitting on large cash. That's why you see these buybacks, bonuses, and high dividends being given. So IT is a good play, considering the valuations as well.
All right, Gurmeet, hi, it's Karunya here from the Mumbai studios. Let's talk a bit about the banking and financial space. I mean, given the fact that there's been so much mayhem in the currency market, there's also a fear of interest rates and a lot of macro concerns which are weighing in on it. Do you think it's a prudent idea to stay clear from the banking financial space for some time?
Not really, Karunya. If you see, in banking financial services, there are some niche plays which are looking very good. AMC and insurance both. The valuations are, right now looking steep because we also take price to book value, because the book itself will expand. So I'm extremely positive on AMC, both HDFC and Reliance. Extremely positive on life insurance, and I have a bit of a contrarian call even on some of the corporate loans, credit-facing banks like ICICI and Axis. I think it's a good time to accumulate them.
Okay, Gurmeet, thanks so much for taking time out to chat with us. It's always great catching up with you on the markets. Let's